Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will thoroughly explore NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on the 10th of February, 2025, and now we are here to deliver an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 5th of February, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.89. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.10%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.77% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend implies a potential decrease of approximately 10% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 20% to positive 1%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of about negative 8% over the next year, with possible returns varying between negative 29% and positive 49%. This suggests a price range between $3.07 and $6.46 within the span of a year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for NIO. The NIO stock price gained 2.6% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 10th of February, 2025. The price increased from $4.22 to $4.33. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.48%, with a day low at $4.24 and a day high of $4.35. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.41% over the past 2 weeks. The volume fell on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold for approximately $119,094,000. It is important to consider that falling volume amidst rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.70, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 43.77%, or $3.37, below the 52-week high, and 93.54%, or $62.66, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO stock is currently experiencing fluctuations influenced by a mix of analyst outlooks and market conditions. Recently, a Wall Street analyst downgraded NIO's price target by 1/3, which casts doubt on the stock's immediate potential. However, another analyst believes there's a 10% upside for NIO shares, suggesting that there might still be room for growth in the longer term. This divergence in viewpoints could create volatility as investors weigh these perspectives. On a practical note, NIO stock has been quite reactive, recently ending a trading day down by 0.12%, reflecting a general hesitance in the market. The broader context includes concerns about price competition in the electric vehicle sector in China, which could be a drag on NIO's growth prospects. Additionally, the company reported its January 2025 delivery figures, key indicators of its operational performance, which can significantly impact investor sentiment. The completion of a repurchase offer for its convertible senior notes demonstrates NIO's effort to manage its debt effectively, which can enhance its financial stability. In the short term, these mixed signals may lead to increased volatility, while in the long run, strategic developments and delivery performance will be pivotal in driving stock price movements. Investors will be closely monitoring NIO's ability to navigate competitive pressures and capitalize on opportunities within the electric vehicle market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Macquarie also assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. Earlier on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On that same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.65%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect near-term developments. The NIO stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.34. Conversely, if it declines, support can be found from the short-term average at $4.28. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. Here are some intriguing signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 51 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically trades with a healthy volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $0.105, 2.48%, between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 400 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.59. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO experiences its first support level at $4.33. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO displays several unfavorable signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of February, we expect NIO to open down 25 hundredths of a dollar, starting at $4.31. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.